Hello guys, my name is Tyler, and I'm going to show you how to set up a classic Minecraft server using McForge. McForge is one of the better clients I have found for Minecraft servers. It's fast to set up, and it's simple to learn and use. Now I'm going to be installing this on a Windows 7 PC, but the installation process should be the same or very similar on any version of Windows. I'm also just going to show you a basic installation in this video. I'm not going to get in depth with all the server settings. That'll be in a different video, and when I have that video complete, there'll be an annotation with a link in the top right corner of the screen. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to want to do is create a new folder on our desktop. So right click on your desktop, go to new folder, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine server. Okay, and now the next step is to download McForge. It's a free program. You go to McForge.net. I'm just going to go back to the main deal here for you. So here's their main page, at least for now. And to download it, you're going to click right here. So we're going to click download. If that's not there for some reason, just go to the downloads tab, McForge, and it'll be the first one on top here. Make sure you download the latest version, because that's going to have a majority of the bugs and glitches fixed. Okay, so it's downloaded. It's going to be a zip file. So we're going to have to extract the files in order to use them. To do that, you can go to the fourth one down here, the McForge application. Double click on it. You're going to get a window that says Extract All. Click Extract All. And we're going to place it into this server folder we created right here. So click Browse and find that folder. There it is. Click OK. Extract. Bada bing, bada boom. There we are. We no longer need this window. Now we're going to double click and we're going to open up this folder here. And these are the files that are actually usable. Now this one right here, the fourth one down, McForge, that's an application. That's the client itself. You're going to double click on this to actually start the server. So what I recommend doing is making a shortcut of this to your desktop. Just right click on it, click copy, right click on your desktop, and click paste shortcut. Alright. So let's start the server up for the first time. Or double click on it, click run, and it's starting up. You notice the first time it starts, it's going to create a bunch of new files, a bunch of new folders. Those will appear here shortly. This is a one-time deal. This is where all the information from your server will be stored. And there they all are. So a lot of people think this is it. They think they have downloaded the software and they think their server is online and anyone can come and join and play it. That's not true. Right now, only you can see it, or anyone on your local network. What you got to do is a thing called port forward. It deals with your router. What that does is it allows people from outside to share and send data back and forth between your server. So to make sure, or to see if your port is open, which it's not going to be if it's the first time you're doing this, you click on Properties, and you're going to click Check Port. It's going to come back, and it's going to say Port Closed. Now the port that Minecraft uses is 25565. So let's get that port open. Now I'm using a Linksys router. So this next step is only going to work if you have a Linksys router. If you don't have a Linksys router, just go to Google and search port forwarding on blah 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 router. Whatever router you have, port forwarding on blank router. And you'll be able to find out how to do it. So if you have a Linksys router, let's just continue on. We're going to go back into our browser, and you're going to type in 192.168.1.1. Remember, this is for Linksys routers only. Okay, click enter. You may have to enter in a password and stuff like that if your router's secure. I've already done that once when I've had this window open, so I won't have to do it again. So you come over here to this Applications and Gaming tab, and it's going to be single port forwarding. So you're going to add a port forward. Right here, you're going to type in Minecraft. For the external port, it's going to be 25565. And for internal port, 25565. For the protocol, the default is both. You can change that to TCP. And now for the IP address. You got to find your IP address. In order to do that, go to your Start menu. In the Search Programs and Files, type CMD. Open up this. This is your command prompt. You get a window like this. In here, type ipconfig. Spelled just like that. Click enter, and you'll get a window that looks like this. There's going to be a lot of information on here. What you're looking for is the IPv4 address. Mine happens to be 192.168.1.109. We just need to learn the 109, the ending numbers of it. Now yours will be different, so keep that in mind. Yours will be different. So once you have that figured out, punch it in here. Mine is 109. Punch in whatever yours is. Then click Enabled and click Save Settings. And congratulations, you have just port forwarded. Now if we go back into Properties, if we go back to our client and go back into Properties, and we click Check Port, oh, the port's open. Yeah, baby. We're now in business. Now the one thing I am going to show you in the settings here is how to change the name of your server. As you see right here is the name. So underneath Server tab, General Configuration, Name. You want to change this. Change it to whatever your heart desires, whatever you want your server name to be. For mine, let's name it, just for the hell of it, Lady Gaga. Alright. So now when your friends want to come and play, you just tell them to join the Lady Gaga server. Alright, click Apply and click Save. Anytime you make a major change like that to your server, I always find it's best to restart the server. Just click Restart, click OK. And that'll for sure make the changes for you or whatever. So wait till it starts up here, then we'll go and make sure the server is up and running. Okay, so the server has started up. Every time you restart your server, you want to check your port to make sure it's open, which it is. So now, let's just go make sure my server's online. So we're going to go to www.minecraft.net. Okay, I am logged into Minecraft. So now I'm going to go to Play Minecraft Classic Multiplayer. And I'm just going to search for Lady Gaga. There it is. Well, look at that, people. Look at that. It works. So it load up here. And voila, the server is functioning. I can build whatever I'd like. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about anything, leave a comment below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. I hope to do a couple more videos like this, so if you have any recommendations on how I can improve my videos, also let me know in the comment section below. So till next time, I hope you all have a good day and have fun playing Minecraft. Bye bye.